Hey y'all, welcome to my channel again. So I just did my unboxing video really quickly just to show you the first looks of the phone right out the box. But it's a beautiful phone. Look at this. Galaxy S10 Plus. So I'm going to go ahead and power this on. And let's get started. T-Mobile, baby. All day. Now, don't get me wrong, T-Mobile sucks. One of my least favorite companies, but it is what it is.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Stop. Look at this, y'all.
Let's
Okay.
look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
Okay.
You can restore the settings and contents from your old device. It will not be difficult.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do this really quickly, guys, and then I'll be back getting it set up. Okay, y'all, so now I got to the spot where we're going to do our fingerprints. So we're going to do fingerprints. So they got this new thing where it's embedded into the screen, and I'm dying to try it. Let's see, continue. I got to set up a, kind of thing. What do I want it to be? Should I be pattern, pin, password? I'll do pin. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my pin set up. Now I'm going to do my thumb. Okay. This is new. I'm a thumb user when it comes to unlocking your phone. I get all angles of how I like to hold the phone. Okay. Reposition your finger each time to capture the edges of your finger. Okay. Okay. And let's get this angle. Don't mind me, guys. I'm left-handed. I was about to say I'm a little left-handed. I'm left-handed, so things are a little awkward for me. So we're gonna add another one. We're gonna add the right side. So let's do the right. So they get the full aspect of the finger. Now we're gonna do the full scan again. This is all new to me, y'all. Okay, we're gonna get that corner. And we're all done, y'all. Okay. So we got those two added. Next. Okay, so you don't need to see my email. And backup. Location, all those settings look good. Okay, continue. Okay, that's provided for my carrier. Now it's finally adding finishing touches. This may take a few minutes. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited about this phone. The bezel doesn't really bother me too much, but excuse me, I was chewing something. But I do notice it. Like it is very noticeable, so I see why.
Log into a Samsung account to get the most out of your device.
This is awesome, y'all. This is awesome, y'all. Just little stuff like this gets you geeked up about a new phone. Like, I mean, I already have the Note 9. Like I said, it's an incredible phone. But stuff like this, like little things like this. I don't know if the Note did it. It didn't do it when I started my phone up. So I don't know, but so let me put my password in. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I got it all in. Now just asking me just information about you know, T-Mobile
All right,
stuff.
we're all set.
Dope, y'all. This is so dope. All done. Finish. Oh my god, y'all. It is beautiful. Oh my. I'm definitely gonna have to do some modifications to it. The tiles are huge and I hate that. Like, but it's beautiful, y'all. It's responsive, it moves, you know. The Bixby, I'm so glad we can remap this button now to something else. But yeah, guys, this is gorgeous, you know. I got to get all my apps and everything finished, transferred over and set up and stuff like that. Oh, with data. Yeah, I got to get my SIM card from this phone to this phone in here and pick this one up. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. And please subscribe and like my channel, and there'll be more videos like this. Peace.